Do you love the stock market? Do you wish you could save time and make more money off of investing? Then Investing City is the perfect solution for you. Imagine a world where you didn't have to use Yahoo Finance, but instead all the numbers were there for you. Or a world where you had brokerage reports in your inbox that were actually good. Imagine a world where customer service was so good that you could talk to a real person. And finally, imagine a world where you could be the fly on a wall at a company management meeting. This is the goal of Investing City, to make you feel like a king. But talk is cheap. Check out our performance over the last 2 years. 180% compared to Wall Street and the S&P 500's return of just 30%. Join hundreds of other investors just like you on the journey to saving time and boosting investment results. Oh, we almost forgot your crown. Thank you for watching, and click below to learn more about Investing City and to get started with a subscription.